Yep. Right, here we go. So this is where the signal came from. I guess we're going in then. Oh, get ready. Oh, I'm ready as I could be. Right. Is anyone else getting bad feelings about this? I am. Anyways. Right. Anyways, hello, name's Moxie. We're playing Piggy Swarm, I think. So this is like outposts. Let's do this. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never ever miss a video. Please do that for me. Otherwise, Tyler's gonna come at you with the blowtorch and burn you out like, you know, like fire. Yeah. Anyways, so I have this question. So, what do you do for your spare time after killing the infected? Well, I have 2 or 3 minutes of doing my chores, then, you know, doing some patrolling and then doing some battlefielding with this Matthew and Brian, because that's what I do. I'm an animal. God. Oh, you didn't grab the wrench. Oh, sorry. I clicked it twice. You did what? You heard me. Clicked it twice. Right, let's see if I can just... There we go. Right, don't tell me I'm gonna see... If I see the badger, I call him dibs. Dibs! Badgie! Dibs! What? I'm no dib. You are, because I saw you first. Okay, there are 2 soldiers in here. Is he coming at me? What? Oh my god. 2 soldiers and 1 badger I cannot even take. And one of them is wandering around. Oh, upstairs. Upstairs, go upstairs. Tyler, stop getting, you know, stuck on the staircases. Oh, be quiet, you moron. Anyways, I'm gonna get the fire extinguisher and I'm gonna move out of here. Bam. Right, where is that badger? Okay, don't tell. Yeah, green beam of light, stranger danger. Stranger danger. What? What did you say? She said stranger danger and she's not a boy. Oh yeah, I forgot. Right, anyways, get the gas can. Go, 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 go! Oh my gosh. Oh, she passed me. Okay, I was too slow for her. You got away that easily, how dare you! Not that I mentioned all this today. No. I'm calling in the big guns. Don't you dare! Alright, no need to yell. Anywho, will there be music to this? Like, any type of music? I don't know. It's just that, you know. Oh my god. I'm gonna be smelling gross in a minute. If I hear any more footsteps come from here or there, I may be scream. I'm gonna scream. You know, I'm gonna scream. Like mad. No, you're not. Yes, I am. I swear. Oh my god, don't tell me. Okay, I see you. And... Hey! Just in time! Come on!